Namaskar. As you all know, I am Sushil Taneja and my company name is Ashirwad Auto Accessories. And we say AAA. AAA was established in 2015, but my experience in car accessories is 21 years of experience I have. And what is Ashirwad Auto Accessories? Actually, AAA is basically jewelry showroom for your car, which is enhance the looks and makes your car cozy. That Ashirwad Auto Accessories. And we have three different verticals of our business. Like first retail, second we do distribution as well as wholesale. Third we have import, what we do. And that all comes in Ashirwad Auto Accessories. As a sole distributor for entire Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, I am a distributor for Capday 70 Mat, Punk Audio, it's a car audio, as well as Correct Car Audio, Joyway LEDs. Again, we have launched in Punk Audio exclusive LED, very exclusive. Like what I would like to say, nowadays in every high-end cars there are coming in projector lights, but now we got in LED, and that's a projector that's launched in India by Punk Audio. We are the distributor for perfume, Colmate. Again, genuine lot of accessories, as well as we are the direct dealers networking of Pioneer, Sony, Blopunk, Polk Audio, and lot of more extras. Our USP is direct vendors. We are a direct vendors for entire branch. Technically expert staff we have. That's a major point. After sales, we give service even. Quality, no deny. We Ashirwad think only for quality. Again, competitive pricing, that's a major part nowadays. Like what we say LCD 1, and today I say it's a retail. What we do in retail, the car comes to our place and it's a new car, and we give them projector lights, matting, stereos, and that stereos also today, the stereo is coming like what I would like to say, Android systems, which is comfortable by car and car, vehicle by vehicle wise. Especially I would like to show you this system. This is a AAA and this is our import, but we do in retail even. We install, this is the Creta system, exclusive of Creta. Like this we have it for Crista, Marazzo, i10 Grand, Laura. It's an integrated system we say, and it's an entire Android system. Just we would like to sit in our car, our mobile will be connected, we can call anyone, as well as if you would like to see YouTube, direct only one thing you would like to give to this integrated system, that is Wi-Fi. Our mobile Wi-Fi hotspot we can on, and we can connect to our system. It will run. Again, car audio system that comes in retail, what I have showed you, as well as spoilers, as well as lights, LED lights, what I have told you, as well as DRL lights. Today is running lot of alloy wheels, as well as chrome items. This is what we do in retail. Even seat covers we do in retail. This is the first gifts from myself. He will explain you about himself.
Hi, is a good friend of mine, Mr. Sonu, and very nice guy. And basically, I myself from Mark Engineers, we deal with fire and safety works and all. And working, being relationship with him is too good, and very good human being, and very genuine customer in the market.
Thank you. Our LCD2, that is, we say wholesale and distribution network, where we are the sole distributor, like I told you, for Punk Audio, Connect, as well as we are the distributors for a lot of range like Van Audio and Capday 70 Mat. This we do for entire wholesale for Andhra and Telangana. We distribute to entire retail market, and they will sell to direct to the customers. Like you go to any retail outlet anywhere in Andhra and Telangana, 60% of share we have Ashirwad has been taken till yet. that is in wholesale and distribution network. Hi, this is my second gift for BNI. Please.
Hi, I am Jan Barma from Lotus International, Delhi, and he is my distributor for Punk Audio for Telangana. Okay, if you want anything in India and you want any distributor in India, I am there. Okay, you can call me and you can contact Mr. Sonu for me anytime. Thank you so much.
This is my third gift for BNI, Mr. Sandeep from Market Events.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम संदीप है। मेरा कैटरिंग का काम है। आप लोग को कभी भी कैटरिंग की ज़रूरत है आर्केट इवेंट्स के लिए, नंबर है, आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं प्लीज़।
Thank you. Third is our import. We do import like this integrated system. It is on my brand, as well as I import my microfiber cloth, which is very necessary to our car. That I import. These two items I import from China directly. This is what AAA do, and what is after and before you can see. जैसे हम रिटेल की बात कर रहे थे, तो रिटेल में प्रोडक्ट्स भी क्या क्या होते हैं आपको थोड़ा सा दिखाना चाहूँगा डिस्प्ले में। दिस इज पंक ऑडियो, अगेन JBL, एंड स्पेशली दिस इज इंटरनेशनल मॉडल्स। इंडिया में तो आपको मिल जाएंगे इंडियन मॉडल्स के हिसाब से जो लॉन्च करते हैं, बट जब इंपोर्ट कर रहा था तो उस टाइम पे व्हेन आई हैव सीन दिस मॉडल और पर्सनली आई चेक अबाउट दिस ऑडियो, सो आई हैव गॉट इन इंडिया इंटरनेशनल मॉडल as well as we are in Bloppunk, Kenwood, Boston. This is the car antenna. I would like to show you something special about this antenna. Like क्रेटा में आपको आजकल कोई भी गाड़ी में बड़े बड़े एंटीना बैक साइड लगे आते हैं, लेकिन this what we have got exclusive antenna. We say Shark antenna for this, and this come with radio antenna pins and everything. सब कुछ इसके अंदर रहेगा। ये जब कार में जब ये लगता है तो लुक ऑफ द कार विल बी इंटायरली चेंज्ड। तो इसमें वी हैव 4-5 कलर्स लाइक ब्लैक, वाइट, सिल्वर, रेड, कोरल रेड, जो मेजर गाड़ियां मार्केट के अंदर है उस सब का हमारे पास अवेलेबिलिटी है इसके अंदर शार्क एंटीना की। अगेन लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स लाइक आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर यू अबाउट LED, जो मैं एक्सक्लूसिव बता रहा था, और वो उसमें से ये सेकेंड मॉडल इनका है जिसे बोलते हैं प्रो सीरीज, पंक ऑडियो प्रो सीरीज। तो इस प्रो सीरीज के अंदर एक्सक्लूसिविटी इसकी जो LED है, एंड बेस्ट पार्ट जो गाड़ी के अंदर बल्ब आता है दैट इज 55 वॉट्स टू 60 वॉट्स। अगेन उसको इंक्रीज करके 100/130 कर सकते हैं, लेकिन ये LED की खासियत है, इट्स ए प्योर व्हाइट लाइट, एज वेल एज दिस कम विद 2 years रिप्लेसमेंट वारंटी, एज वेल एज दिस इज ओनली 35 वॉट्स, just 35 watts and give you brighter light. This is very exclusive product, right now came in India. This is from Punk Audio. Again same, we have horns as well as connect double din systems, van audio, Joyway LED. That's for especially now Joyway LED come basically in our we say in a bumpers, fog lamps के अंदर हम ये LED लगा। This is my fourth gift for BNI, Mr. Abu.
हाय, मेरा नाम अब्बू है। मेरा डेंटिंग पेंटिंग का काम है और रिजनेबल रेट में अच्छे से अच्छा काम होता है हमारे पास। सोनू भाई को भी आप कॉल कर सकते हैं।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू।
एंड आई वुड लाइक टू से इट इज बेटर टू बी यूनिक देन बी द बेस्ट। द बेस्ट मेक्स यू नंबर वन, बट यूनिक्स मेक यू द वन, ओनली वन। एंड स्पेशल थैंक्स all the members of Harmony and their family, friend and associates who have supported us till date. हमेशा मैं जैसे कहता हूं, करें वही जो आपके कार के लिए सही। थैंक यू। साइनिंग ऑफ, सुशील तनेजा फ्रॉम आशीर्वाद ऑटो एक्सेसरीज। थैंक यू।